In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a new Jira Cloud project from your browser and get it ready for your team. If you want to move away from messy spreadsheets and scattered chat threads, Jira can give your team one central place to plan, track, and manage work. The good news is that getting started is much simpler than it used to be, especially if you set things up carefully from the beginning. First, open your preferred web browser and go to atlassian.com/software/Jira. When the Jira product page loads, look for the Get It Free button and select it to begin. From there, choose the product setup options that fit your needs and create your site address in the atlassian.net format. You'll then follow the email verification and account prompts to finish creating your new cloud space. And take your time here because this is the foundation for everything that follows. Once you're signed in, Jira will guide you into the project setup wizard. This is where you choose the framework that best matches how your team works. If your team works in planned sprints, choose Scrum. If your team manages a continuous flow of tasks, choose Kanban. After that, you'll be asked to decide between company managed and team managed. Company managed gives you more centralized administrative control, while team managed is faster and more flexible for smaller teams that want to adjust things on their own. Next, enter your project details. Click into the project name field and type a clear, professional project title that your team will instantly recognize. Jira will automatically generate a project key based on that name. This key becomes part of your issue IDs, so it's worth checking that it looks clean and easy to understand. When everything looks right, click Create Project. Your new board will open with a default workflow layout. To make it better match your real process, add custom columns using the plus sign on the far right side of the board. This is useful for stages like code review or QA validation. After adding them, drag the column headers into the order that reflects how work actually moves through your team. If you want to bring other people in quickly, go to the top menu, Open People, and select Invite Teammates. In the invite window, paste team email addresses separated by commas, choose their access level, and send the invitations. This is a fast way to get your workspace populated without adding users one at a time. Before you start using the project live, do one final check. Open the backlog from the left sidebar and confirm that the project name is correct, the issue key prefix looks right, your workflow columns are in the proper order, and invited users appear as expected. Once that looks good, your Jira setup is ready to go. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.